Nice thing is we won't really have much of a loan. We sell 4 units and our loan goes away. All right, let's talk about Wapato.
I mean, really, I'm just, trying to more, like my mental positioning and psychology, right? Because if I were to bring in this additional amount of capital into the deal, there's trying to balance exposure, right? It's a higher percentage of my total net worth. So just thinking through that and like, okay, how do I get comfortable with that, with that level of exposure? Sure, I trust John, but, not everything's up to him, right? There are external factors and, certainly the structure of the first position completely de-risks that because it would just get paid regardless. So, those are external factors. I mean, they would diminish your position, but they wouldn't be, at risk with that position. It's more, the second position. So I'm trying to think through, what are those external factors that could present issues, with this particular position, and how can I think through what all those are, and to what degree are those risks? How can I measure them, basically, right? We were looking at, just for example, like looking at the commercial component of the building. I mean, I'm sure there's a solution for it, but that definitely, if it was all just residential condo units, right? If you upgrade the building, you sell a few of them, something's not working, you can rent those out and refi it. No problem. Those are easy to refi. Like, so that's one thing that we looked at that, it's coming up.
But the nice thing is we won't really have much of a loan. We sell 4 units and our loan goes away, right? We've got a $800,000 loan. We really only need to sell 4 of those units and the loan goes away. So the refi foreclosure risk is negligible.
Yeah, I'm not really concerned about the senior debt. I would expect that that's going to be, with that capacity, you'll be able to handle that. It's more, stepping down the capital stack from there, where you do get increased layers of risk, right? Yeah. It's just reality.
So the way I've got the docs, and I'll send you the PPM, I got off the phone with the attorney this morning and then called you. We've got it here. Let me share my screen real quick. So you can see this?
Yeah.
All right. So we have 4 share classes. The way I've written it is that the mortgage gets paid first. After the mortgage, you get the very first dollars after the mortgage is paid off.
Yeah, that's where that position sits, right?
That would be a 6 to 7 to 8 month transaction. And then you're also getting D class. We set this specifically for you. And this class gets paid before C class. And she asked me to change this so it made more sense.
Right. Okay. So there would still be, so what's the total was something like 550, 600?
550. Yeah.
Okay. So then there would be another 150. If I'm doing 4, there would be another 150 below that.
No, to clarify, there's a total raise of 752.
Oh, okay. So is it
here? Let me stop sharing. Yeah, it's 752 is the total raise. So
I see.
So this
so beyond
200.
So this 350 below the second 200.
Correct. Yep. So the total of this.
So what's the difference between the 550 and the 750? You're mentioning just 550 now.
This is equity.
Oh, I see. The rest of it is
and then this is subordinate. We're calling it subordinate debt. It's not actually debt, but we're calling it subordinate debt.
And how is that being capitalized?
This is you.
Oh, okay. It's in addition to the 200, there's 550 more.
Correct. Yep.
Okay, so got it. I thought that 200 was
200 of debt, and this is 550 of equity.
I see. Okay. I thought that it was the 200 was included in the, got it. Okay. So that makes sense. Do you have equity in the deal?
Do I personally?
Yeah. Are you guys putting cash in?
Little bit. I've got something north of 30 grand, but it's not much. Like, remember, I'm married to a teacher.
I know. I mean, like,
it's
typically like a reasonable question for an LP to want to have, the GP to have some skin in the game, right?
Yeah. Our skin in the game is it's a recourse loan. Cindy loses $700,000 of her retirement.
I see. Okay.
That's the skin in the game. Yeah.
She's signing on the loan then.
Is that correct? Signing on the loan. You heard that, honey.
That's correct. She's signing on the loan. Okay. Right.
So I mean, that's the skin in the game is
sure, that counts.
your recourse.
Yeah, that counts. That
They
counts.
take our lovely little home and all of that, and yeah.
Right. Okay. So that's helpful.